Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have this platform called Bold Desk and this is the best AI customer service software. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to simply get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Jumping onto the platform, here as you can see we are on its dashboard and we can see various options in here. So customer service requires different type of communication features. It should have, like, for example, customer support, the activities going on, so everything is pretty much populated in here. You can see your messages, links, you have your activities, approvals, working files, history and insights. So now if you want to simply add a note for some reason, you can do that as well. From the top menu you have your add work log, shared and watcher, so various people, it means the team can be working collaboratively on this. So you can see on the main dashboard you have your assigned tickets, so you can create different type of tickets using this option on the top right side of your screen. You can click on create a ticket, article or activity. Let's say I want to create a ticket, simply enter the brand name, a requester, you have your subject, description and much more settings that you can modify and your ticket will be created. I have already created a ticket which might be displaying in here. Let's just go back, and so if I head over to tickets, you will be able to see a ticket that I created here. So this is just for a sample. So you can also modify, add work log, add private note, update tags and preview as well. So click on preview to check it out what it is about, and you can see it is in public, so people can simply get their reviews on it. Split ticket and much more features could be seen. On the left side you can see your activities as well. Similarly, like you create a ticket, you can create an activity as well, so people can perform different tasks on that. To add contacts, you have a separate feature as well to add contacts or contacts groups. So if we head to contact, click on add contact option, you can see we can simply enter the details and click on add, and the person or individual will be added. So similarly we have our KB, and this is another section for knowledge base activities and stuff like that. You have your reports according to how everything is working, so you can see everything is displayed in a very nice manner. So you have these graphical dashboards separately. If I go back, you can see we have our support monitoring dashboard, you have your agent performance dashboard and much more. So all in all, it is an amazing platform for AI customer service and software. If still you are unsure about the platform, let me show you some amazing reviews about the site. So you can see a good mixture of usability and complexity, powerful and simple, excellent tool to use. So make sure to give it a try using the link in the description below to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. Now make sure to subscribe as well, and see you guys in the next video.